Binigyang diin ng mga kinaukulan ang kahalagahan ng kahandaan sa anumang sakuna, kolaborasyon at pagkakaisa ng lahat ng stakeholders, iginiit. Narito ang report. Isinagawa ng Cordillera Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council ang Regional GRRM Summit and Expo sa Baguio City noong August 11 to 12. Tinalakay sa naturang summit ang iba't ibang usapin na may kaugnayan sa sakuna, katatagan at kahandaan.
So yung ating pong team ngayon, Kumilos, reminds us of the binadang culture of a united Cordillera. Kayang umaksyon ng mamamayan na isabuhay ang kandaan ng bawat isa para maging ligtas sa oras ng sakuna. It is an acknowledgement of the actions undertaken and being taken by our people.
Garantisado ang epekto ng bawat isang sakuna. Ngunit garantisado rin na tayo ay patuloy na nagsusulong ng akbangin at patuloy na nagtutulungan at nagpapalitan ng kaalaman kaugnay sa Disaster Risk Reduction and Management o DRRM.
Sa mensahe naman ni Senator Loren Legarda, kinilala nito ang kahandaan at katatagan ng Cordillera pagdating sa sakuna. Anya, isa ang rehiyon sa mga may mataas na level of preparedness batay sa isang pag-aaral noong 2024.
A recent study by Harvard Humanitarian Initiatives in 2024 ranks Cordillera among the regions with the highest level of preparedness, scoring 24 out of 50 across 5 key areas: planning, training, material investment, information, and social support. These numbers reflect the strength of your local governance, the depth of community networks, the commitment to reducing risk not after disasters strike but before they even happen.
Iginiit din sa summit ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa at mahalagang papel ng bawat sektor para makamit ang disaster resilience.
Now, it is time to translate this resilience and into actions at the provincial and regional levels so you can continue protecting our lands and the lives of our people against disasters. Through your courage, solidarity, and high spirits that has shaped our history and our landscape, with confidence rooted in vigilance, security stemmed on awareness, and stability founded on preparation.
We must go beyond response. Preparedness must be ingrained in our daily governance, our community planning, and even in the way each household lives. This means investing in disaster risk reduction, education, promoting sustainable land use, and ensuring that our infrastructure can withstand the changing climate.
Nagkaroon din ng exhibit sa mga DRRM-related technology, equipment at iba pang kagamitan. Ang nasabing aktibidad ay bahagi pa rin ng National Disaster Resilience Month na may temang kumikilos para sa kahandaan, kaligtasan at katatagan.